Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Stalon. So today I'm going to show you the right way to lube your motorcycle chain. So let's begin with it. Cut front. So guys, as you can see here these are the chain links and the sprocket tooth is over here. So what you guys have to do is you will have to spray the chain lube on these links rather than spraying it on the sprocket tooth. The reason being, if you spray it in the middle, you guys are going to waste a lot of lube while the chain is running, while the sprockets are running. So now I'm going to show you the right way to lube your chain. So guys, now I'm going to show you the right way to spray the chain lube. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to point this towards the links where the chain is connected to each other. Alright. So basically you'll have to spray it here on these links. Do not spray it on the middle of the sprocket. Do not spray it here. You're going to waste a lot of lube. Alright. So now I'm going to start my bike and let's begin lubing the chain. So guys, as you have looped this part of the end of the chain, you will have to do it also on the right side as well. Okay? So since I have completed looping the chain on the chain links on the left side, you also have to make sure that you lube it on the other side too, because the links are present on both the sides. So guys, this is the right way to lube your chain. So if you guys are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, or if you're already a member, if you have liked the video, please do drop a share, please do drop a like and a comment, and also tell where I can improvise. So that's all for